Hi, boys and girls. We are doing our last two pages in our Reader's Notebook in Lesson 11, and that's our Reader's Notebook, Grade 1, Volume 1. We're doing pages 163 and 164. So these are both reviews. So we're going to be reviewing possessive nouns today. Those are the nouns that end with an apostrophe and an S. So you have a word and it has an apostrophe S and it's showing that something belongs to that word. So over here I see an apostrophe S and I'm going to be drawing a line underneath it. The girl's bike is red. What belongs to the girl? The bike. Girls is the possessive noun. Something belongs to it. We found Dad's hat. What am I doing? I'm looking for a possessive noun, a possessive noun. Possessive nouns have apostrophe S's. Oh, there it is. There's the possessive noun. Let's see what belongs to Dad. We found Dad's hat. The hat belongs to Dad. Okay, I like Jose's story. Okay, we're looking for a possessive noun, and they end with apostrophe S's. That's the one. Jose's. I like Jose's story. What belongs to Jose? The story. Maybe he made it up. So it's his story, Jose's story. The cat's tail is long. Okay, apostrophe S is right here. Cats. What belongs to the cat? His tail. The cat's tail is long. Cats is a possessive noun. This is Miss Lynn's book. Okay, where is the possessive noun? Well, it's this, but it's actually Miss is included in this. Miss Lynn's. Who owns the book? Miss Lynn. That's Miss Lynn's book. It belongs to her. Miss Lynn's is the possessive noun. All right, so now we're going into our grammar, and we're going to be focusing on proper nouns, including titles. It says nouns that name special people, special animals, special places, or special things. They're called proper nouns. Proper nouns begin with capital letters. And then it says a title before a person's name begins with a capital letter. A title usually ends with a period. Now it says fix the mistakes in these statements. Use proofreading marks. Okay, proofreading marks, that's a big word. Here are the proofreading marks. When we need to add something, we're going to put an upside down V. Just like up here, it shows my fish is named Gus. Okay, not that one. I gave Mrs. Billow a book. What's missing from Mrs.? What's missing from it? We have to add a period. Okay. Okay, and now this one right here says if it's supposed to be a capital letter, you need to put 3 little lines underneath it. So my fish is named Gus. They should have put a capital G there. But since they didn't, just put 3 little lines underneath it. So the next time you would write it correctly. So over here it says, we went to story time at Carter Library. Okay, I guess story time is capitalized. And this special place, Carter Library, since it's the name of a special library, it needs to begin with capital letters. So we're going to do that. My friend Dr. Rudd helps animals. So doctor, it's a title, and it should be capitalized. In addition to that, we need to add a period to it. The period should actually go right after it, but they like when we put them way up there. Okay, so actually that says Dr. Rudd, but just to show you, this says Dr. Jim. Remember, titles have to begin with capital letters and end with periods. Well, that's Dr. Rudd. He has a pet crab named, oh, I'm sorry, called Pinch. Oh, I know why he called him Pinch, because he's a crab. But that's his special name. And special names, or names of animals, begin with a capital letter. So that should have been a capital P. Our teacher took us to see the Liberty Bell. The special name of this bell that's in Philadelphia is the Liberty Bell. And both Liberty and Bell begin with capital letters. It's not any old bell. It's the Liberty Bell, so they're capitalized. Finally, it says, we visited the Grand Canyon. Instead of saying we visited the canyon, they are telling you about a special canyon, and it's called the Grand Canyon. Special names begin with capital letters, so we're going to put our proofreading marks so that if you were to write it again, you would know to capitalize the G and the C in Grand Canyon. Okay, that's it for today, boys and girls. Toodaloo.